So today we'll start how to create a package in Java. Okay, so very first time we just create the folder in another location. Actually, what is a package? Package is the container, okay, which is the collection of classes and other packages. Okay, so package is like a folder, not just like a folder, it's a folder. Okay, so create a folder. My folder name is pack1. Okay, my package name is pack1. Okay, and just go, I have a project. So in the top of the project which you want to store in the package, you have to mention the package name. Okay, so package name is pack1. Okay, now create any function, anything, public, and class also should be public. Void any function name dd, and I write here system dot out dot print. Okay, hello students. Okay, hello students. So I mentioned this message, hello students. Okay, now try to compile it. So very first time you have to save this function, save this project, not function, sorry. And my package name is pack1, so you have to save there. Okay, my class name is stucorner, stucorner, stucorner dot java. Okay, any problem? I think no. Okay, so minimize all the things and type cmd and switch this location. Where do you want to compile your project? My project under the pack1, and pack1 is the java 11am directory, and this directory under the d drive. So d drive and cd java 11am and pack1, enter. Okay, now compile this program. My program name is firstly java c, and my program name is stucorner dot java. Enter this. It will throw an error or not? No, it will never throw an error, so it means your code is right. So I have another project, usepack. Okay, then you have to use this package there. Okay, so very first time you have to create the object of this class. I'm just testing. Okay, I know I'm doing wrong, but it's a testing. Stu corner obj, I'm making a object of this class, obj equal new stucorner. Okay, fine. Now call this function obj dot dd. Okay, now save this program and save and try to compile this program. So save, and where java 11am. My class name is usepack dot java. Okay, and compile this program. So cd dot you have to come outside of this pack1, and now compile here java c use pack, right or not? Usepack. Okay, enter. Usepack are only accepted when the processing is accepted. sorry, dot java. I'm compiling, not running. Okay. Yeah, it throw an error. It's showing stock owner not found. Why? Because stock owner under the where pack1 directory, pack1 package, and there is no information about the pack1 directory, pack1 package. So you have to mention here pack1 package, and you write there at the top of the project, import pack1 dot what star or asterisk. The meaning of you can access all the class, all the interface which is contained by the pack1 package. Okay, I know there is only one class, but in another case it can contain more than one class, so you can access any class by the use of dot pack dot star. Okay, now save this program and compile it again. It will throw an error. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, 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 no. Okay, so it's a fine. Just try to run this program. Java use pack, enter hello. Okay, so it's a simple program. Just follow the instruction, follow the steps, and follow this poster also. Okay, it's very mandatory. Okay, thank you.